Are you losing customers because they can't get answers fast enough? Or maybe you've spent hours glued to your inbox, responding to the same questions over and over. There's a better way, a secret weapon that top businesses are using to crush customer service and skyrocket sales. Let's talk about chatbots, but not just any chatbot, the kind that works. A chatbot is like having a digital assistant that never sleeps. It's a tool that instantly answers your customers' questions, books appointments, tracks orders, and even upsells your products, all without needing a single coffee break. Think about this. 64% of customers say they prefer messaging over phone calls. That means if you're not using a chatbot, you're leaving money on the table. Here's how it works. Chatbots use advanced AI to understand your customers' questions and provide instant, accurate responses. They're available on your website, social media, and even apps like WhatsApp or Instagram. And these aren't old, slow bots from 2010. Today's chatbots feel natural, conversational, and even fun, tailored to your brand's voice. Imagine this. While you sleep, your chatbot is closing deals, booking appointments, and answering customer questions. No missed leads, no frustrated customers. Just a business that works for you 24/7. It's like cloning your best salesperson and making them available 24/7, but without the paycheck. But here's the thing. While a chatbot alone is powerful, there's one secret that turns it into a game changer. Stick around, because I'm revealing it at the end of this video. I know what you're thinking. But won't my customers hate talking to a robot? The truth is, no one likes bad bots. That's why we build chatbots that feel human, are easy to use, and know when to pass customers to a real person. And if you're worried about setup, don't be. The guys who created me, Champions AI Solutions, will handle everything, so your chatbot is ready to deliver results from day one. Champions AI Solutions is a company created to be your AI transformation partner in this golden age of AI. We know AI can be overwhelming, and that's why we are trying to provide basic education through videos like this to guys like you, to enable you to tap into this new technology that is here to stay. Don't believe me? Kenyans are using AI, and they are giving our politicians like Ruto, aka Kasongo, sleepless nights. Now, here's the secret. If you want to unlock the true potential of your chatbot, pair it with an AI voice agent. While your chatbot handles text, your AI voice agent handles calls, creating an unstoppable automation duo that covers every customer touchpoint. This combo doesn't just save you time, it transforms your entire customer experience. So, if you're ready to level up your business with cutting-edge AI, visit Champions AI Solutions today. And if you found this video to be useful, make sure to drop a like and share to a friend who you think will find it useful. Let's build a chatbot that doesn't just answer questions, it drives business growth.